Hello students, in this video you will get the chapter sentences. Here I'm going to explain you sentences, kind of sentences with appropriate examples. Now see here, what is kinds of sentence? You have learned that a sentence can be a statement, a question, a request, a command, a denial, or a response. Means we have different type of sentence. Some sentence have simple statement. Some sentences has questioning. Some sentences has a request. Some sentences has a command, and some sentence has a denial or a response. You can see here in the sentences, I like mangoes, it is not raining, our pet dog is very playful. All these sentences state something, and it is assertive sentences. It is assertive sentences. An assertive sentences makes a statement. It is also known as a declarative sentence. Means the assertive sentence makes a statement. It is also known as a declarative sentence. Assertive sentence begin with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. The great recognition for the assertive sentence that it starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Assertive sentences are of two kinds: affirmative and negative. Affirmative and negative. You see here, the knife is blunt, the knife is not sharp. The first is affirmative sentence and its negative is the knife is not sharp. Means at that time when you are going to change the sentence from affirmative to negative, you have to write the opposite of the adjective and you have to convert it in negative sentence. The knife is blunt, its opposite is sharp. With a not, the knife is not sharp. The two sentences convey the same meaning, but one does so negatively, while the other states it positively. A sentence that tells us that something exists or something is happening is called an affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is also known as a positive sentences. Yes, here students, you have to understand, you have to also learn that a simple sentence is known as affirmative sentence, assertive sentence, positive sentence, declarative sentence. A sentence that states that something does not exist or that something is not happening is called a negative sentence. Okay, does not exist or that something is not happening is called a negative sentence. Negative sentences usually contain not or no. Here are examples for interrogative sentences. Where is my umbrella? Its negative will be where is not my umbrella. Has the gardener sown the seeds? Its assertive is the gardener has sown the seeds, and negative is the gardener has not sown the seeds. Okay, so these are the examples for it, students. Now you see an interrogative sentences ask question. An interrogative sentence ask questions. Ask questions. Interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. There are two kinds of interrogative sentences: yes or no questions and WH question. It starts with WH questions. It starts with WH question. Read these sentences. Can you swim? Can you swim? It's an example of interrogative sentence. Does your brother play tennis? It's also example of interrogative sentence. When we ask this question, we expect the answer to be yes or no, so they are called yes or no question. We use helping verbs like be, have, do, can, should, may, or will to ask yes or no questions. In such questions, the helping verbs comes before the subject and the main verb comes after the subject. For example, can you read out this story? Can you read out this story? Are the Guptas coming? Are the Guptas coming? Now read the sentences. Where did you go yesterday? Who is your favorite writer? You can see here sometime what, who, or when may act as the subject of the sentence. For example, who committed this mistake? Who left the light on? Who left the light on? Next is questions that begins with why, what, when, which, who, where, whom, and how are called WH questions. Sometimes who, what, or when may as the subject of the sentences. Like yes or no questions. In WH questions, to the helping verb comes before the subject and the main verb comes after the subject. Like that, you can ask here, what are you doing? How are you? How many questions have you completed? When do you visit there? What is your school timing? Where is this place situated? So these are the WH question words and sentences. After that, now you have to read the imperative sentences. You see here, imperative sentences are necessarily commands, requests, social expressions. Like that, you can see here, go away, order, प्लीज़, प्लीज़ का यूज जहाँ हो गया, मैडम का, सर का, मैम, ये सब क्या होगा, वहाँ पे रिक्वेस्ट होगा, प्लीज़ क्लोज द विंडो, रिक्वेस्ट हो गया, स्टडी वेल, एडवाइस हो गया, मार्च फॉरवर्ड कमांड हो गया. Like that, there are different type of sense also you will find in imperative sentence. Okay. After imperative sentence, your last is exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, you will find the marks of exclamation. Like that, the player said, hurrah, hooray. The player said, hooray. Exclamation mark, we have won the match. The woman said, alas. Exclamation mark, I'm ruined. Exclamation mark, I were a king. Students, such type of words, sentences you will get to read in the form of sentences. Okay.